What's up guys of YouTube? Today I want to show you how to charge a 12 volt small TV and charge an iPad. This is a QC 3.0, which is fast, and you could use this to charge your small TV or anything that is 12 volts. You see it's charging, and this is the iPad. And it's charging too. So 12 volts to charge anything that needs 12 volts charging, and QC 3.0, which is fast to charge an iPad or tablet or phones. I have 2 ports, and the port for the 12 volts. As you can see, it's not that big, but it's not small either. I have another power bank, and I'm going to show you the difference. This is a small one, 10,000 milliamps, and that's the difference. This is more like heavy duty for camping, and this is more like to go. But this is able to charge a tablet. You could charge 2 tablets and anything that is 12 volts. Might be able to charge a laptop, I'm not sure. And then at the end, it has the DC adapter. Is put it like this, plug it, and it's gonna start charging. It has an on and off switch. You just turn it off whenever you're done using it, and then you could charge the battery from here too. All you gotta do is just turn this off. Charge the power bank from here. And this is a regular power bank. And look at the difference. This is more like camping, or not exactly on the go, but if you want to charge 12 volts, could be a small TV like I'm charging right now, or anything that is 12 volts, and for a very long time. You could also stand it up. And this is a regular one. This is like the dad and the little kid. Okay, If you like the idea, you could do one yourself too. All this you could get in Amazon. I'm using QC 3.0 USB charging port and a 12 volt charging port. And you could even you can even get the box from Amazon, $7. The battery cost me $20. And this, it depends if you want it with the 3.0, which is gonna charge faster. Okay guys, hopefully you like it. Let me know if it's a good idea or you better keep using this one. But keep this in mind, this is not going to charge a 12 volt TV. Okay, thank you guys.